apologize in advance for the wind. It's pretty ridiculous today, but this is what I'm dealing with and why I'm wanting to aerate it, simply because this is my dog's path and it's pretty compact. I got some grass seed growing, but not over here, so I'm basically just gonna aerate it, throw some grass seed down, hoping it actually gets in these little holes and go from there. It rained earlier, so we got that going for us. Probably could be a little bit more wet, make this a little bit easier, but it's not, and it's still working. Just kind of gotta wiggle it a little bit to get it in and out. And also, like I said, this ground is pretty compact. Sure, if I go over here, it won't be as bad. Yeah, over here off to the side of the camera, it goes in easy. Over here, not so much, but that's what we're trying to alleviate here. I think overall it's working just like it's supposed to. I ain't got no complaints with it. So there you have it, the manual lawn aerator. I don't know if you guys are seeing how well it's actually working down there, but basically you push it down, punctures the ground, this plate comes back up, keeps your spikes nice and clean. I guess the camera didn't pick it up all that well, but there's all the holes it's puncturing.